Philippines are insane.
Unlike other countries where you only have one high school reunion after 10 years and even then hardly anyone goes, here in the Philippines they have a high school reunion every year after graduation. Every single year they have a reunion until everyone they graduated with grows old and dies. Here in the town of Carigara, Leyte, the biggest school, Holy Cross College, has an epic battle of the batches, where every single batch of students that graduated since 1960 gets together to plan and rehearse an epic public performance. Thousands of people flock to the streets, taking time off work to watch the biggest street parade of the year. Each batch starting from the oldest, which is 1963, all the way to the most recent graduated, marches through the streets of Carigara, dancing in their costumes and showing off their beautifully decorated floats. Each batch is given a theme that they must base their performance off, such as Grease Lightning, Moulin Rouge, Chinatown, etc. So we're sitting up here on the second level, we're watching the street behind us to see when Mami Shanta comes down with her batch. So they're doing this by batch from 1966 all the way up to the present of all graduates of Holy Cross College dito sa Carigara. Okay, we're in the 80s now, Nitro. We've gone from 60s to 80s. You're getting impatient now, hey. Nagantay kami ng mga 2 hours, no? Wala pa si Mami, ano? Wala pa si Mami, hey. Wala pa. So because they're doing every year since I think it was 1963. So Shanta's batch is 2001. So we got another almost 20 years. 20 batches to go before we get to Mami, hey. Yes. Up to class 2000. Hapit na si Mami. Mami's coming next. There's Mami Nitro. This is Lion King. It's Mami. What's that, Nitro?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a big cheetah. Hey. Whoa, big cheetah and a zebra.
Isa rin kita dalikis. Isa rin kita.
Oh, it's a rhino. Hey, it's a rhino. Hey, Nitro. Whoa. Big elephant. Look at the elephant. Whoa. Mummy's batch did a good job, huh? Wow. Say hi. It's the lions. Hey, big lion heads. Hey. They're painted. Hello. Oh, look, it's Mami. Mami Nitro. Oh, she's coming. Oh, it's Mami on the float. It's Mami. Bye-bye. Whoa, that's such a cool float, isn't it? My wife graduated in 2001, and every year her batch goes all out, spending anywhere between 150 to 300,000 pesos on designing their costumes and choreographing their performance. This year her batch was given Lion King as their theme. However, my wife's brother and my brother-in-law, his batch is 2003, and they work just as hard every year. Why would they do this? Because this is more than just a reunion. This is a competition between every single batch that graduated since 1963. There is a grand prize of 250,000. In other years, it's been even more than that. But it's not about the money, it's about the title. Once every batch has performed their street parade, they head out to where the judges are and perform their final performance in front of the panel of judges. And the judges decide who comes third, who comes second, who comes first. They also have prizes for best in costume, best in float, and things like that. Millions of pesos goes into organizing this massive high school reunion every year. And the batch that graduated 25 years ago, that is the batch that hosts and organized the event for that year. So this year, it's batch 1998. The fact that these people are willing to sacrifice so much time and energy just to put on a glorious high school reunion is so impressive. Tonight, we find out who the grand champion is. Good luck, Shanta 2001.
Ladies and gentlemen, our third entry for the Broadway musical category. Please welcome the class of 2001, The Lion King.
Good, Dwantro? Was that fun? Was that cool? Yeah? Yeah. Oh, that's a cool part. Look at that. It's a witch, isn't it? Oh, it's a witch. Oh, it's a witch. It's a witch, Dwantro. Hey, it's a witch. You see the witch? Yeah. After they do their parade, batik sila dito sa pinaka main square, pinaka main town square ng Carigara. And then they do their performance, where the judges will judge kung sino yung pinakamagaling na batch. I think, anong batch niyo, miss? Anong batch?
2003.
Okay. And their theme is Wicked. So sila yung next. So kailangan talunin nila si Shanta para manalo sila ng Corona. O, diba? Yun. Daming tao dito ngayon as in sobra. Hello!
Of 2003, Wicked.
That's 2003. You're so wet. You're so wet. You got wet from the rain. Yeah. I danced all the way from there going here. Wow. Why are you wet? Did you dance as well? You just got walking in the rain. Hey. I have to go ahead. Bye bye. Good luck. Bye bye. You won, Nitro. You won. You won. Whoa. Shanta, you came third.
Best in costume pa rin. I saw. I saw.
We have class 2001.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you put on a high school reunion. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Wait a second. Who won? It was Shanta's brother's batch 2003. Talo si Shanta sa kapatid niya. Congratulations, Yano. Nanalo sila. Okay, that's it. Tapos ng vlog.